Welcome back, everybody. It's Brendan here from Brendan's Mobile Detailing. We got ourselves another good one here today. Today we're going to talk about the Simonize 2.0 GPM 1800 PSI. What am I talking about here, ladies and gentlemen? It's a big, huge game changer in the detailing world, for pressure washing that is, and to be able to get the job done sufficiently, quickly, and profoundly. This isn't a paid promoted video by Simonize. This is just my views on how amazing this machine works and how well it's been working out for me and how long it's taken me to realize to hop onto the 2.0 GPM bang. So let me show you guys what I got going on here, and here we are. We're going to do an unboxing of the Simonize 2.0 1800 PSI pressure washer. Stay tuned. Like for more. We're back out here in Ajax, Ontario. Today we got ourselves a full interior exterior detail, but today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Simonize 2.0 pressure washer. This here with the GPM being 2.0 rather than the 1.25 or the 1.8. Let me show you guys the unboxing of this brand new Simonize pressure washer. Here we go. Okay, so what we have in the box, instruction kit basically tells you nothing. Comes with the hose, which this here, as you can see, how it's rounded off like that. So this is M22, but the difference between this one right here, it's not 14 mil. This is actually 15 mil right here. So if you are going to try to hook up, say, your trusty flexi hose here, this isn't gonna work. The reason being is because this is M22 right here. This outer diameter is M22 right here. But the big difference is here that is 14. So see how that is kind of, let me see if I can zoom that camera in. You can see the different style. There we go. You can see the different style right there. As of this is more rounded. So this is a lot more rounded. So this is M2215. So this is only going to work on the 2.0 GPM. So if you're going to run a quarter, which this is, on the regular standard pressure washers, that's what they're using is M2214. But to convert to the extra 2 GPM, you're going to have to run a 15 mil. So what comes in the box, basically they give you some nozzle orifices, they give you a quick release to make a quick release at the top of the gun. They give you a foam cannon, which I'm not even sure if it works that great, but I guess we can test it out. It's very tiny, Simonize. It says you can hook it up to the small trigger, basically what they give you. And here, basically this is this. Okay, so this is basically the setup right here. This is it, completely all set up. It comes with a little foam cannon and obviously the little tiny hose that I will not be using. It comes with the quick connect that you can attach right here. So basically this right here is gonna go like this. So they give you a quick connect for the top, which is pretty nice. This just connects and clicks right in there. As you can see, an M2214 will not work on this. You need an M2215. Not very many YouTube videos are out there describing what you need. Well, let me show you guys another description as of what you will be needing. So if you guys were looking to make this quick release at the end here, you guys would need, this is the M2214, which will not work. If you go to connect it here, it's gonna leak everywhere. So what you guys are going to need is to see how that is more round. So you can see the difference between the two. You have on the one that is on the left, which is the M2215, and then the one that is on the right, which is the M2214. So this one, if you go to hook it up, it is going to leak. If you get this, it will not leak. So as mentioned, I will be taking this hose right here, which is only like 10 feet, which is, you can literally bend it. It's gonna pinch, it's gonna bind. It's basically, you may as well just take it and throw it in the garbage. What I would recommend is I'll put in the link right here. You can get this on Amazon. It is regularly good for 40,000 PSI, and it's steel braided, so you cannot really bend or pinch that too much. It's a really great high quality hose. It's about 25 feet long, and this one matches right up to the end of your pressure washer and does a fabulous job. So for anybody looking to get a setup like this, I'll put everything in the link and share everything. And this is a perfect hose for the Simonize 2.0 pressure washer. Here, so we got the Simonize 1800 2.0 GPM pressure washer all hooked up, and like I said, I would recommend going out and getting yourself a longer hose for this unit. It's just more of a pleasurable experience. You're not gonna really like the one that comes with the shorter hose and it pinches and it binds. So here we are. Let me give you guys a show how my setup is, and possibly this may work for you guys. So here we are. So this here, a lot of people are mentioning actually, this is kind of like the Active 2.0. So the Active 2.0 is the United States version, where the Simonize is the Canadian version. So this engine right here is a 5-piston engine, and it's the exact same components. The only difference is that it doesn't have the inverter here for the power, so the surging, when you plug it in, you'll see on the DeWalt it'll come with that little surger thing, in case like water surges or whatnot. I believe that is the correct pronunciation. If not, someone can correct me. But this is it, ladies and gentlemen, the Simonize 1800 2.0 GPM. Like, subscribe, follow, comment on more. And it comes with the little rinky-dink foam canister, which I'm not going to be using, but for anybody else that can, have yourselves some fun with this, and away we go. So here is my hose attachment. I have it all hooked up. This will be for my quick connect for my gun right here, and this right here will be going as quick connect right here. And like I said, you will need the adapter right here for the M22 for the 15, and this is just quick connect right here, and bada boom, that's it. So there you have it, guys, the Simonize Platinum 1800 2-point GPM pressure washer. Go grab your guys selves one, and here's my setup, and you're not gonna go wrong. You are absolutely gonna love this bad boy. Time saver, game changer, and away you go. So that's it for the Simonize 1800 2.0 GPM pressure washer. If you haven't already, go off and hit that like and subscribe button. Brennan's Mobile Detailing. Have yourselves a wonderful day.